Hello, this is on? We're rolling. The camera. Oh, I can start, okay. This is Frank Frank Adamouski. Hello, this is Frank Adamouski, a CPA and assistant manager of the DSD, or the Shred'em document shredding department at Shred'em, Burnham and Rowe. And I'm back with another helpful video for your PPE. PPE. That's protective personal equipment. And right now I'm safely distanced from everyone. I'm in the stairwell of the 4th subfloor down here at Shred'em, Burnham and Rowe. So I don't need to wear a mask, but I am still wearing gloves. And today I'm going to introduce you to the emergency repair kit for your personal PPE. The PPE, personal protection equipment. That's PPE. So last week I showed you some repair techniques for your when your mask breaks. And however, the best way to be prepared is with the emergency repair kit, which I have today. And it's also called the ERK. And you should carry this around with you at all times. Always have your ERK with you. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to just open it up and show you what's inside, the contents of the kit. So there's string, there's tape, and there are gloves as well. And there's also scissors, which you'll need, and a pen in case you have to write an emergency note. Rubber band, hand sanitizer, very important. There's also quarantine cones, which are needed to let everyone know that you're repairing your mask. And while those are set up, you can wear the protective suit that you'll have on, and everyone will know that you're doing an emergency repair. And it also comes in a very nice hard-shelled plastic case. So next week, we're going to do an actual repair of your PPE, and I'll show you how to work with everything. And right now, I'll close it up. It's a little tricky. Well, things fall out. I don't know.